Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll be cooking a healthy meal using millet, the nature's best gift for our health, Varagu rice pulao with lady's finger pachadi. It's so tasty and healthy too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. It's a one pot meal. Today I'm using pressure cooker. You can use a pan as well. Into that add 1.5 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom, a small piece of star anise, stone flower and 1 bay leaf. Add 1 sliced onion, saute it for a minute on medium heat. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute this till the raw aroma goes away. Add 1 small tomato, saute it for a minute. This is 100 grams of carrot, 100 grams of beans, 1 small potato and 2 tablespoons of green peas. You can use any vegetables of your choice. Along with the vegetables, add mint leaves, coriander leaves and 3 green chillies. Mix everything together. In this stage, add 1.5 tablespoons of curd. This will give a rich taste to the pulao. Add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt. Give all of this a nice mix. In this measuring cup, I have taken 1 cup of rice. The ratio is 1:2. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. The millet will look like this. Water has come to a nice boil. Let's add the rice. Millets is full of nutrients which your body needs. Varagu rice helps in controlling blood sugar and cholesterol. It's a great energy source. Consuming this regularly decreases triglycerides. Give it a quick mix. Cook for about 20 minutes on low heat or keep for about a whistle. Once it's done, let it sit for 5 minutes. Our healthy millet pulao is ready. Serve it hot. Let's make vendakkai pachadi. It's a great combination for this pulao. Heat a tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for it to splutter. Fry it for a while. Add 1 tablespoon of urad dal, also called black gram dal. Fry this for a minute. This is 250 grams of lady's finger, also called bindi, vendakkai. Saute this for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat or until it turns light brown. Into a blender, add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and 2 green chillies. Grind it coarsely. This is good enough. To a bowl, add a cup of curd. Add the ground coconut and green chilli mixture. Give it a good mix. Now let's add fried vendakkai, that's bindi. Add some salt. Try these two recipes. It's very healthy and delicious. Share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Check out my other recipe, pearl millet dosa. I will link to the video in the icon above. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.